Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to explore the fun world of making cool shapes with flour. It's a really creative and exciting activity. You just need to be a little patient and excited, and you'll be surprised at how you can turn simple flour dough into awesome sculptures. The trick is to use your imagination and shape the dough with your hands. It's super easy. So, get ready, grab some flour, and let's get creative. Please don't forget to follow the steps, and if you enjoy it, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Your support means a lot to me. Friends, I hope you had as much fun creating flower models as I did making it. Your support means a lot to me. Yours every click, comment, and rating is truly encouraging for me, and your feedback is priceless. If you have enjoyed something I have made, I'd really love it if you could drop a comment and give it a star rating. Thank you so much, and I'll be back soon with another easy to make recipe. Take care and see you soon.